Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Today we will know about the keto diet and see whether it is good for diabetics or not and its impact on the individuals with diabetes. Let us start. The keto diet is a trendy method or procedure to assist individuals in losing their body weight. Ketogenic or keto is understandable as a diet that is high in fat and low in carbohydrates. This diet can conclusively alter the way an individual's body reserves and employs energy. With the ketogenic diet, an individual's body transforms fat as an alternative to sugar into energy. Now let us see the impact of the keto diet on diabetic individuals. Several researches and studies were conducted to ascertain the impact of the keto diet on diabetic individuals. Analysis and studies indicated that the number of individuals suffering from type 2 diabetes were able to lower down their levels of blood sugar through the employment of the keto diet. Studies also discovered that individuals suffering from type 2 diabetes were able to lose their weight, and they also required to reduce amount of medication subsequent to the following of the keto diet. Furthermore, the keto diet was also able to reduce the individual's A1C when they pursued the diet for a year. Moreover, individuals who have diabetes can advantage from the nutritional ketosis since their body will require and produce less insulin. There has been less number of researches on the impact of the keto diet on individuals who have type 1 diabetes. One study discovered that the keto diet assisted individuals who have type 1 diabetes by reducing their A1C levels. Taking a doctor or a physician's advice before commencing any diet is crucial for individuals who have diabetes. The keto diet might assist an individual with diabetes, but many experts and professionals do not advocate any solitary diet over the other. In conclusion, it can be said that diets that are customized to an individual's dietary requirements and other measures are the most suitable for individuals with diabetes. I hope this informational video will be beneficial for you and may initialize the same after the proper consultation by a physician. Thank you.